Welcome to our guide on how to download and install the SportyBet app. Today, we'll explore its exciting features and how you can easily set it up on your device. Before we get started, let's check the system requirements for downloading the SportyBet app. Ensure you have Android version 5.0 or higher or iOS version 11 and above. To download the SportyBet app on your Android device, open your browser and navigate to the official SportyBet website. Now, you'll need to enable installations from unknown sources. Go to your device settings, select Security, and toggle Unknown Sources to allow installations. Next, follow the prompts to install the SportyBet app. Simply tap the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. For iOS users, head to the App Store, search for SportyBet, and tap Get to download the app. Once installed, open the app and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Navigate through the sections for betting, promotions, and account settings. If you encounter issues while installing, try clearing your device cache or restarting your phone. Ensure your device has enough storage and is connected to the internet. Thank you for watching our guide. Now you're set to enjoy the thrilling betting experience with SportyBet. Have fun and bet responsibly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Happy betting!